Hey everybody, and welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're going to be taking a look at something that's pretty ubiquitous,
Yeah. Yeah,
search engines.
absolutely.
We use them every day,
Multiple times a day.
multiple times a day, and I think it's safe to say that we've all been in that situation where we're looking for something specific,
Yes.
and the results that we get back are just
Useless.
absolutely garbage.
Yeah. Or on the first few pages, it's all like spammy websites.
Yeah,
Yeah.
or stuff that's just completely irrelevant to what you're looking for.
Right. And it really highlights that even though search has been around for a long time and we kind of just take it for granted now,
Yeah.
that it's still a really hard problem to solve.
Right, and that's what makes today's deep dive so interesting, because there is a new player on the scene that is trying to solve this problem.
Oh,
Their name is ATINAS.
ATINAS.
Now, this is something that I want to get your take on right away,
Okay.
because just the name itself is very intriguing.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
ATINAS.
It's spelled out like that.
It's spelled out.
Right.
And it almost feels like it's begging to be an acronym,
Yes. I agree.
but they don't actually say what it stands for.
Well, and that makes me think about the psychology of branding a little bit.
Okay.
So, like some companies will shorten their name to an acronym, like KFC, for example.
Right,
Kentucky Fried Chicken, it becomes KFC.
right.
Maybe there's something similar going on here with Atinas where they want it to be memorable. They
Yeah.
want it to stand out.
Yeah, so it's like a little mystery.
Yeah, a little bit of a mystery.
Like, what does this stand for?
And a little bit of intrigue.
Yeah, and maybe they'll reveal it later on,
Yeah.
Who knows?
Or maybe it'll be one of those things that just stays a mystery forever.
Oh, yeah.
People come up with their own interpretation.
Like a conspiracy theory.
Exactly.
I love it. Okay, so
Yeah.
ATINAS, very interesting name. We don't know what it stands for. Maybe we'll find out. But
Yeah.
we were poking around their website.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very minimalist.
Super minimalist.
Yeah, just a search bar and then a couple of other links.
Yeah, like home, about, login. That's basically it.
Yeah.
So what do you think about that in terms of their approach?
Well, I think it really emphasizes the functionality over anything else.
Okay.
They're not trying to distract you with a bunch of other stuff.
Right.
They're just saying, hey, we're here to help you search.
Right. Just use the search bar.
Exactly. And that actually aligns pretty well with what they say their mission is,
Okay.
which is to improve the accuracy of search results and to reduce spam.
Right. So getting to the heart of the matter here.
Yes.
How?
The big question.
Yeah. How are they going to do this?
Right, because every search engine says that they're going to do that.
Yeah.
So what's different about ATINAS?
Yeah. What's secret sauce?
Right, are they using some kind of like next generation AI or,
Right.
some really advanced spam filtering techniques?
Is it just all hype, or is there something really revolutionary here?
And to understand that, we probably need to get a little bit more technical.
Okay.
So, most modern search engines rely heavily on artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Right.
And so they're using these complex algorithms to crawl the web, analyze websites, rank them, and try to filter out the spam.
So it's possible that ATINAS has figured out a way to do that even better than the existing search engines.
That's what they're claiming.
Yeah.
But, they haven't really revealed a lot of the details about their technology yet.
Right. And I did notice that they mentioned that ATINAS is being developed by someone named Mihigo Anaja.
Oh, yeah, that's an interesting detail.
Do we know anything about this person?
Well, I did a little digging, and it looks like Mihigo is an independent developer with a strong background in data science and artificial intelligence.
Okay.
So it seems like they have the credentials to potentially pull this off.
It's kind of a David versus Goliath situation, isn't it?
It is.
Like this one person taking on these huge tech companies.
Yeah, I mean, you almost have to admire their ambition.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely exciting to see someone trying to shake things up in the search world.
Absolutely.
But I think it's also important to be a little bit skeptical at this point
Oh, absolutely.
until we actually see ATINAS in action and we can really evaluate how well it works.
Yeah, we need to see the results.
Yeah.
But, even if ATINAS doesn't end up being the next Google,
Right.
I think it's a good reminder that the search landscape is constantly evolving
Right.
and that there are always people out there trying to build a better search engine.
Exactly.
And that's good for all of us as users.
Absolutely. So for our listeners out there, if you are tired of the same old search frustrations,
Yeah.
keep an eye on ATINAS.
Yeah.
This could be the solution you've been waiting for.
It could be.
Or it could be another footnote in search engine history.
Right.
But either way, it's a good reminder that things are changing in the world of search. and there's always something new to discover.
Exactly. And it makes you wonder what the next big innovation in search will be.
Yeah, that's a good question to ponder.
Yeah.
So we'll leave you with that thought, and we will see you next time for another deep dive.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.